0.9 is not equal to 1. 0.99 is not equal to 1. 0.999 is also not equal to 1. But did you know that 0.9999 up to infinite decimal places is exactly equal to 1? Hello everyone, I am Sujay at Dr. Math. Today we will show that 0.9 recurring is exactly equal to 1. For this, we will call 0.9999 recurring number as x. Let's call this decimal expansion as x. Now let us multiply both sides by 10. That is 10x equals 9.9999 and so on. But I can write this 9.999 and so on as 9 plus 0.9999 and so on, isn't it? But what is 0.9999 recurring? That is nothing but x. So 10x equals 9 plus, I'll replace this entire expression by x. And now we will shift this x to the left hand side. 10x minus x equals 9. And what is 10x minus x? That is 9x. 9x equals 9 and hence x equals 9 by 9, that is equal to 1. So we showed that x equals 1. But what is x? X is 0.9 recurring. So 0.999 up to infinite decimal places is exactly equal to 1. I hope you got this simple unnoticed fact. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.